Climate Change Mythbuster by MyZeroCarbon. The best time to act is now. Myth number 1.
Only a few degrees of warming does not matter. The current warming is just a small blip in history.
One approach to counter this statement is to compare the human body with planet Earth to show how just a little amount of warming can be problematic for a complex system. Okay, so 36.9 degrees is our normal human baseline body temperature. Make that the same as planet Earth's temperature from 1850 to 1900. When our body temperature increases by 1.1 degrees Celsius, that's a fever. We need to take some action, like rest, drinking more fluid, etc. In the same way, planet Earth is now 1.1 degrees Celsius warmer than it was compared to 1850 to 1900. So likewise, we need to take action to stop it getting worse. When our body warms by 3.6 degrees Celsius, that is life-threatening. If we just ignore a high fever, we may die. In the same way, if we took no action on global warming, it would become life-threatening by 2100. Let's now look at some data. Here is the temperature on planet Earth in the last 60 million years. Yes, temperature has been higher before, and yes, temperature has gone up and down before. But look at the time scale. It changes from left to right. On the left, we are talking millions of years. But this is when the Neanderthals appeared, and here is Homo sapiens. We need a planet that has the right conditions for human beings. Look at 2020. Today, the temperature is hotter than any time in the last 2.5 million years. And the projected temperature for 2100, if we do not take any action, would be the hottest for 4.5 million years. But it is not just the absolute temperature, but more so about the speed of warming. Planet Earth has never warmed this fast. During the last ice age, Earth was only a few degrees cooler than today, but making it nearly unlivable for human beings. The warming after the ice age took 12,000 years for 4 degrees Celsius. So people and nature had plenty of time to adapt. But in the last 100 years, we have seen 1.2 degrees Celsius warming. That is 30 times faster. You may say, I can cope with 1 degree warming. Yes, some people around the planet can adapt or cope, for example, with the help of air conditioning. But some people in poorer countries cannot cope and cannot escape the heat. Also, on average, there is over 1 degree Celsius warming across the globe, but some parts of the world have warmed faster. Please follow me on TikTok and Twitter. For longer and more videos on climate change, just search for MyZeroCarbon on YouTube. And for more climate change information, you can find that on my blog at myzerocarbon.org. MyZeroCarbon. The best time to act is now.